12 days. It's been 12 days since I started. Took this old boat trailer and cut all this tongue off of it. Shortened everything up, jacked everything up. Made the mini camper. Have a table here. Underneath the table we're going to have pull-out compartments. That's yet to be completed. And on the front we've got a solar powered security light. Just pull the pin and it extends up. You can turn it on, off, for automatic. And this is the table. The stove goes here. Propane quick plug up. Pull this pin here. This extends up. 15 gallons of fresh water with a shower. And wired for a 100-watt solar panel, which we have. Put on top and plug in. 120 amp hour battery. Everything's wired, fused, soldered, heat shrinked. Inside the toolbox we have a 6-person tent, all the sleeping bags, cook stove, everything that goes with it. Stabilizer jacks all the way around. All new lighting and wiring. Put a receiver hitch on the back. Now this will haul all of our gear. And if it's bad weather, we can crawl in and pup tent. That's a canopy, 10 by 10 white canopy that goes off the back here. And we've got a king size bed there. And we have lighting here and here. It's a little bit larger than a king size bed. Fully screened. Sealed and caulked and ready to go. An overlanding trailer for $1,200.